What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to make a video about some random items that I found that would be really easy to skip over. Now, these are all garage sale finds. A lot of the stuff that I sell is from thrift stores and stuff like that. So this isn't going to be my normal full sales update video. This is just 4 items that I got garage selling that would have been easy to pass over, but they sold for pretty good money. So I think I spent a total of $2.50 and they sold for about $150. And they all sold pretty quickly. Alright, so we're going to get into it. The first few items we got at a garage sale, and it just looked like old pieces of cloth. And, you know, taking a closer look, they were vintage pillow patterns. So basically, like, it has both sides, you cut it out, sew it together, and add stitching in. So it's like a vintage craft. It'd be really easy to glance over. Now, this first one was a 1983 Rainbow Bright and Starlight pillow pattern. I think I got 4 different patterns and spent a total of 50 cents on these. Now, so, you know, like 12.5 cents a piece. And this one I had listed at $29.95 and sold for $25 pretty quickly. I think this was the first one. The second one was pretty cool. And I had debated on having Michaela actually like sew these and put them together and try selling them like that. I wasn't sure if it would go for more or less, but apparently stuffing is more expensive than you'd think. So this one, and like I said, for these first couple ones, there was not really comps to compare it to, so I was kind of, there were similar items, but like there was no He-Man pillow pattern sets, and this was like 40 inches tall, so I had no idea what to price it at. So I may have been able to get a little bit more, but like I said, at 12.5 cents, I was super happy. This one went for $25 as well. And, you know, it's a piece of cloth, so they shipped it was super cheap to ship them. And then the last one was the entire lot of Care Bears. Each one had 2 Care Bears on it, and I think I had like 5 separate pieces, so there was 10 total. I really took a shot in the dark with these and priced them at $75 for the lot because I saw similar ones that just had like 2, like 1 sheet with 2, go for like the $20 range, and I really wanted to move it quick. I ended up accepting an offer. I don't know if it was an offer or if it was just what the price was after I had a sale going, but this bundle went for $50. And then the last item is this was a 50-pack of DVD rewritables, and I'll be honest, I don't know what exactly. I know that DVD is like, it's a DVD burning disc, but the DL stands for dual layer, and these were the 8.5 gig or 240 minutes 50-pack. Now, I got these at a yard sale for $2, and I had no idea, like I didn't have service, so I couldn't scan them. I got them with every intention of sending them into Amazon. However, I wanted to get them listed, and I didn't really have a full shipment for Amazon, so I ended up putting them on eBay at $74.95 or best offer, and these also sold for $50. So that was one afternoon. I think it was actually one garage sale. Total investment of $2.50, and they sold within a week or two for $150. So definitely be on the lookout for like older items, older patterns, you know, like basically like the stuff that the cartoons you watched growing up, stuff like that. And then also factory sealed DVDs, CDs, stuff like that. Some of my best flips have been from media like that. I was at a yard sale one time, and it was out in the country. It was actually more of like a flea market. I was out in the country, it had no service, and this guy had a box of mini micro cassette player, like the the cassettes that you would put into like an answering machine, and there were 3 packs. They were like that big, and he had them marked $1 a piece. I went up, I wanted to scan them, but I couldn't. Like I said, I had no service, and I ended up just making the guy an offer $5 for the whole box, and he took it right away. And then when I got in town later and I could actually scan them, I saw that they were going for like $9.50 a piece on Amazon. So it was like $5.50 after fees, and there was like 40 something in there. So that $5 investment turned into like about 200. So definitely be on the lookout for these things. And I will be doing my normal sales update video. I've been listing all day, and I have some stuff going on later. So hopefully, if I don't get to it tonight, it will go up tomorrow. And I will, by the way, this is a new camera, and I ordered an HD webcam because the webcam on my laptop is garbage. So I know it's the smaller picture-in-picture, so you probably can't tell, but I did look at a full screen and it looks quite a bit better. The audio isn't quite what I wanted. It still kind of sucks, so I'm still using headphones. But anyways, that's all for this video. Like I said, keep your eyes open for these things, and look for my normal sales update video coming soon. I've been toying with the idea of doing like a daily video, or at least Monday through Friday for all of August, while I'm like to kind of like stay motivated and stay accountable for everything I'm doing to prep for like Q3 and Q4. After the last couple weeks, I didn't really do a whole lot, and I'm ready to get to it. So anyways, stay tuned. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and an awesome week, and I'll talk to you guys soon.